Manchester supervisor charged with murder in reported love triangle.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Detectives assigned to the Manchester Police Division have charged 30-year-old supervisor Andre Bromfield, who is of New Green District in the parish, with murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. This in relation to the shooting death of a 24-year-old inventory clerk at the Master Mac food store located on South Racecourse Road in Mandeville. The deceased, Shantel Whyte, otherwise called Shan, of Wilbin Street in Greyground, Manchester, was shot several times about 6 p.m. on Tuesday the 31st of December inside the lunchroom of the establishment. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Whyte was seen with multiple gunshot wounds. She was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. Bromfield, who fled the scene, reportedly turned himself over to the police some 10 hours after the incident, approximately 4 a.m. on New Year's Day. He was charged on Monday the 6th of January. His court date is yet to be announced.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.